G'day, my name's Timothy from Queensland at Avery's. If you like today's video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any suggestions, don't forget to pop them in the box below. So about 3 years ago, I did a video on YouTube which was Healthy Parrots Breakfast. You guys hated it. So today we're going to redo it and we're going to do Healthy Parrots Breakfast 2.0. The base of the chop is going to be fruits and vegetables, so let's get them cut up. That was quick, but if you missed what we put in there, it was some apple, cucumber, zucchini, kale, beetroot and the leaves as well, passionfruit, carrot, silverbeet, cauliflower, broccoli and capsicum. Now we're going to add some sprouts. The sprout mix is sunflower, safflower, mung, chickpea and adzuki. Next we're going to add some dried rose petals, some lavender, some flaxseed, some fennel, some anise, some chia, some pumpkin seeds, whole hemp. Also here we have some roughly chopped almonds, cashews and walnuts. Then also we're going to put about half a teaspoon of organic coconut oil. Might sort of crumble that up a little bit. Next we're going to add a little bit of chamomile. And then very last is some raspberry leaf. Let's mix it up. Because we've used fresh and dry ingredients, it's recommended that you feed out as soon as possible. It won't really freeze that well and it probably won't keep till the next day either. We hope you liked today's version of Healthy Parrot Breakfast 2.0. Don't forget, if you liked today's video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions, pop them in the box below. Until next time, have a good one.